20 memorable quotes. Film Platoon, 1986. Platoon, 1986, directed by Oliver Stone, is a powerful war drama that delves into the brutal realities of the Vietnam War. The film is semi-autobiographical, drawing from Stone's own experiences as a soldier. The story follows Chris Taylor, a young and idealistic American volunteer, played by Charlie Sheen, who becomes disillusioned by the horrors he witnesses. The platoon is divided between two surgeons, the compassionate Elias, Willem Dafoe, and the ruthless Barnes, Tom Berenger, representing the conflicting moralities within the group. As Taylor navigates the chaos and carnage, he grapples with his own sense of right and wrong, witnessing the breakdown of order and the humanity of the soldiers. The film is noted for its realistic portrayal of combat, the psychological impact on soldiers, and the moral dilemmas they face, making Platoon a haunting exploration of the complexities of war and its effect on the human soul. SGT Elias, what happened today was just the beginning. We are gonna lose this war. Chris Taylor, come on. You really think so? Us? SGT Elias, we've been kicking other people's asses for so long, I figured it's time we got ours kicked. Raha, Elias didn't ask you to fight his battles for him. And if there's a heaven, and God, I hope there is, I know he's sitting up there drunk as it, cause he done left his pains down here. Francis, it ain't DERE, it's DAR. And Sarah, ain't got no to RS, King. Damn, you dumb. King, it don't make no difference. She know what I mean. She don't read too good no how. SGT O'Neill, Bob, I got a bad feeling on this one, alright? I mean, I got a bad feeling. I don't think I'm gonna make it out of here. You understand what I'm saying to you? SGT Barnes, everybody got to die sometime, Red. I'm not going to die in this goddamn jungle. PVT Chris Taylor. You're a grunt, Taylor. You're nothing. You're just a number. SGT Barnes. It's not about the war, it's about the men. SGT Elias. War is a disease. It's caught. SGT Elias. We're all killers here. We just got different jobs. SGT Elias. I don't want to kill anybody, but I don't want to die either. PVT Chris Taylor. You ever seen a man die, Taylor? SGT Barnes. I'm scared. PVT Chris Taylor. Fear is a very powerful motivator. SGT Barnes. Chris Taylor, somebody once wrote, hell is the impossibility of reason. That's what this place feels like. Hell. Chris Taylor, I think now, looking back, we did not fight the enemy, we fought ourselves. And the enemy was in us. Sergeant Elias, I love this place at night, the stars. There's no right or wrong in them. They're just there.